All right, what's the month this month? April?
April 27th.
All right, April. Those, I don't know, who are these crazy people?
I don't know.
What has got you so crazy? Oh, IKEA. Wow. All right, so no critical mass, I don't really care about but there's a corporate-sponsored joy here, aka an IKEA. Corporations make me happy too.
What makes you happy?
Corporations.
Yay!
All right, so we're.
As soon as we get done, we can go home.
All right, you can be sad again.
We're at Union Square Park, the Critical Mass just all went down the subway, and it's really fascinating because the police are here and they don't know what to do. They're all like, should we get coffee? Should we go to Starbucks? All the domestic spying. All the domestic spying cops. Albano's on the phone. He's like, where are they? Where are they? He's like, well, they're in the subway, and they can't talk because they're in between the subway. And everybody got out and helped them and swiped all the people who couldn't pay for it through. Who knows where the bike ride's going? It's going to pop up somewhere where the police aren't, hopefully, and they'll start riding their bikes. Yeah. Critical Mass, New York City.
Subway out there.
They use their bicycles, they use mass transit, and they don't pollute.
Even Bill, who the police accused of being a mastermind, had no idea what was going on. And that's clearly a case of no organizers. Just some people said, let's ride subways. They got contagious. It was natural, unlike this.
Where did they go? We got here late.
People who showed up late want to join, they don't know where to go. It's a complete chaos.
Where should we go? Can we ride with you?
And it could be a victory for Critical Mass. Who knows?
Wait, can we go with you guys? I can catch up.
Actually, maybe they've either been decimated or, I don't know, emancipated. There's something that rhymes with aided.
They did arrest me if I tried to ride with them.
No, go follow them.
Wait up!
Probably going around my circles.
All right, this is awesome. Cops are circling, just looking for anyone with a bike. Our taxpayers' money, killing right of assembly. Oh, they try to kill it, but it's immortal because it precedes the Constitution. Hello.
1 month when the weather's...
All right, I'm at Canal Street, hoping to catch Critical Mass, trying to beat the 6 train. Here, I might go up to the West Side Highway. Sure that guy over there wants to know too. So I gotta shake him. Alright, playing my usual catch up with the ride. These things usually don't go so well. I catch them, but then get caught. Last time I was on this corner, it was when the towers fell. Canal and West Street. But I'd say that's when New York really fucking started to change. When the police state began. When criminals were no longer the enemy. Citizens were. Looks like I found them. Canal Street. Happy times. Ah, the ominous scooter sound. It wasn't a cop. Hey.
Chris, we're going up 6th Avenue and... Oh, hey!
Hey! Hey, guys. What are you guys doing tonight?
Just bike riding. We were riding the train, but we figured biking's more fun.
Good plan, good plan.
It worked. I heard 30 people went to Brooklyn.
Critical Mass early this month.
They thought it was Fulton Street, Brooklyn.
Oh. So how many people do you think here? Can you do a head count?
There was 30 until we got to almost Canal, and then another group of maybe 5 to 10 joined us. The Christian Tall Bike Brigade came in.
Nice. The Christians have come to save us.
Less cars! More bikes!
Let's go!
More bikes! Less cars! More bikes! More bikes!
That group's more bikes!
More bikes! More bikes!
I'm sure it's going to be very morale-wise. It's really going to be great on a positive effect for the bicyclists, but a negative effect for the city, who's actually working for the corporations.